Hey guys, hope everybody's doing all right. This is Jason Flowers with the prevention team here at East Alabama Mental Health. I'm here with my coworker Herman Payne. He'll be on the screen here in just a minute. It's time for today's question and answer. And so if you guys are not familiar, every week we try to get together and answer questions that have been sent to us from people all around the world. So let's get to the first question of the day. So the first question of the day is, does vaping help people quit smoking? Okay, does vaping help people quit smoking? And the answer to that is that there are numerous advertisements that suggest that vaping is maybe good, bad, or positive or negative. But according to the CDC, there are no facts that suggest that vaping is a way to help people quit smoking. And there is also no scientific research on that. So let's get to question number 2.
Thank you, Jason. So I just want to start off by saying I'm glad that we are really doing this, because there are a lot of things going on in today's society, especially with COVID and a lot of other type things are going on. We've kind of lost touch or perspective on what's going on in the vaping world. Vaping had a lot of attention, I would say, maybe 5 or 6 months ago. Now, of course, the news cycle has gone on to other things. So I'm glad you decided to put together this.
Question and answer, yeah. Good.
Okay.
Question and answer, yeah.
This question and answer, so that we people can just again be reminded of the dangers that accompany the vaping. So my second question, or the second question, is vaping addictive? Well, keep in mind, vaping, the cartridges are normally going to contain either nicotine or THC. Both are very highly addictive.
All right, guys, and it's time for question number 3. All right, and it says, is secondhand smoke from vaping dangerous? All right, so the answer to that is, according to the American Lung Association, all secondhand smoke can pose a potential health risk, including the vapor produced by e-cigarettes. Including the vapor caused by e-cigarettes, produced by e-cigarettes. With that being said, y'all, thank y'all for joining us on another question and answer segment. I'm gonna turn it over to Herman to close us out. Okay.
And thank you for having this Q&A session. We know that the news cycle has changed a lot in the last 6 months, and so vaping is not necessarily being talked about every day as it was about 5 or 6 months ago. So we do want to again remind people that vaping is dangerous. People have died from vaping. Right now, when we think about what's going on with COVID-19, right now isn't the time to have a respiratory illness due to vaping or anything else, due to the amount of ventilators and a lot of other type things that's going on that's already currently being used. So once again, people be safe out there. Take care.